This is Richa from Experimento Add-ons. The holiday season is here and that means huge sales are coming, especially for Black Friday. Black Friday is one of the busiest and biggest sales event of the year. It is a perfect time to grab WordPress deals on themes, plugins, tools, and more. Last year, people spent about $9.8 billion online during Black Friday, and that is about 7.5% more than the previous year. Before we dive into the best deals, do you know that Black Friday actually started as a kind of problem? In the 1960s, Philadelphia had a football match after every Thanksgiving. All the roads were blocked and police started calling it as a Black Friday. The shopkeepers also noticed that their sales went up during this time of year. So they also started calling it as Black Friday, and that's how the Black Friday event was created. This year, the Black Friday is on 29th November. But guess what? Some sales have already been started. That means that you don't have to wait until the end of November to save big. It is a perfect time to grab WordPress deals. The WordPress Black Friday sales are often one of the biggest sales that happens once in a year. These products help improve your website design, improve security, performance. So this is the best time to buy those tools at a less price. So here are some of the best Black Friday deals. A2 Hosting is popular for its fast website loading speed, making it one of the best hosting options for WordPress sites. For this Black Friday, A2 Hosting is offering up to 86% off on their hosting plans, and they have special deals for managed WordPress hosting too, up to 61% off. Their WordPress hosting plans start at just $9.95 per month, and they come with awesome features like the Turbo Hub panel, where you can easily adjust all the settings for your WordPress site. It also uses advanced caching, which helps your site load faster by saving and quickly showing parts of your site. With the exclusive faster or its free guarantee, your site will load faster, and if it doesn't, then you get your money back. Plus, their customer support is available 24/7, so you are always covered. Next is Hostinger. Hostinger is offering up to 79% off their hosting plans, with pricing starting at just $2.49 per month for WordPress hosting. You will also get 2 extra months for free, that is valid with a 48-month term plan. You will get free domain name, that is the WordPress address like google.com, hostinger.com for the first year with 12 months plan. Website migration, where they will migrate your existing website from any other hosting site to Hostinger. AI-powered web builder, build your site easily with AI tools and pre-built templates, no coding needed. A customer support ready to help you anytime. If you don't love it, no worries. You can get a full refund within 30 days after you sign up the deal, so it's risk-free. Hostinger is known for its fast and secure hosting, so if you want a reliable host without spending too much, this is a deal you can't miss. Next is Nexus, that is offering up to 75% off their hosting plans this Black Friday. Nexus is a great choice if you want high-speed performance for your WordPress site but don't want to spend too much. Their managed WordPress hosting takes care of everything for you, like security, updates, and backups. Plus, you get 24/7 support from their team, so you will never be left on your own. And the best part, it just starts at $5.25 per month. It also gives you some awesome features. Instant auto-scaling helps your site handle more visitors without slowing down. Visual Compare lets you easily see and test changes before they go live. Feature-rich plugin adds useful tools and extra functions to your site. Performance tool make your site run faster and smoother. Automatic plugin updates make sure everything stays up to date without you having to do anything. Free staging lets you test changes safely before making them public. It is one of the best WordPress deals. Next is Liquid Web Hosting. It is offering up to 75% off their hosting for Black Friday. Known for its premium hosting, Liquid Web is perfect for high-traffic websites or e-commerce stores. They also offer managed WordPress hosting, just like Nexus. It starts at $5.25 per month. It is best hosting for WordPress sites of any size. Liquid Web Hosting is designed for high-performance websites, and with 75% off, you can get top-tier hosting for less. Next, Cloudways. Cloudways is offering an amazing Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal with up to 40% off for the next 4 months, 40 free migrations, and a $75 credit to use on your hosting. This deal is perfect if you are looking for super fast cloud hosting with easy migration tools to move your site. You can easily migrate your site from any other host to Cloudways, and you will get a gift of $75 in credit when you sign up for this early discount. This is only available for new customers who sign up for the early Black Friday discount. Each customer can only use one coupon code once to get discount. You cannot use it multiple times for the same hosting. If you are looking for reliable, cloud-based hosting with excellent support and migration help, Cloudways is a fantastic option. If you are looking to create beautiful websites, Beaver Builder is offering 25% off their annual plans this Black Friday. This discount is available on all of their packages. If you are new customers, then you can get this 25% off, and existing customers can get this discount if they upgrade their plan. You cannot get it if you renew your same package. You must upgrade it. The discount will automatically apply at the checkout. Beaver Builder makes it super easy to create stunning WordPress website with their drag and drop builder. Whether you are building a blog, portfolio, or business site, Beaver Builder has all the tools you need. Want to add cool animations to your website? Scroll Sequence is offering 50% off with their Black Friday Cyber Monday code. With Scroll Sequence, you can make your site more interactive by adding smooth scroll animations. Here's what it offers: smooth performance with GSAP, a tool that makes animation smooth. Scroll Sequence ensures your animation works well even on slower devices. Content animation: easily animate elements on scroll, fade in, move, or scale, all with a simple plugin. Lightweight: the script only loads when needed, so it won't slow down other pages. It's only 129 kilobytes in size. Smart image loading: only the images you need right away are loaded first, while the rest load in the background as you scroll, improving page speed. It's responsive and compatible, works on all major browsers, devices, and operating systems. You can turn animations on or off for specific devices. It works with all page builders, compatible with Gutenberg, Elementor, Oxygen, Divi, and Beaver Builder. Now's the perfect time to try it out with 50% off. If you need contracts to protect your business, Monster Contracts is offering 40% off their WordPress specific contracts with the code Black Friday 2024. Monster Contracts provide customizable contracts for websites, protecting your business from legal issues. That's it. Stay tuned because more WordPress themes, plugins, and tools will be on sale soon, and I will be updating you with all the best offers. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the best Black Friday WordPress deals. You will want to get in on these huge savings while they last. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.